This is cross stitch number 1. So I'm going to put my threads down the back, tucking them under my woven loops there. Come to the front, and then I'm going to go at a diagonal. I'm going to do this big so you can see. One diagonal. Can you see how I don't take the needle to the back? I always keep it in the front. One, two, and up 2. Across 2, up 2. Now when I've done the length I want to do of my stitches in a row, then I go back. Now, I'm nearly there. When I get to the end, when I finish the number of stitches I want to do, I go to the back, and I again post it under those little threads, and then trim. Cross stitch number 1.